Hi everyone, in this video I am going to cover how to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number. Look at this. This is our example. To find the answer, we have to follow these 4 steps. So first step is write the numbers vertically. This is written in horizontal way. We will write the number in vertical position. So first step is done. We have written these two numbers in vertical position. Next step is multiply the ones. It means 4 is its ones place. So we will multiply 4 to 9. We know that 9 times 4 is 36. So we will write 6 here and 3 to top of the next value. Now we will multiply 4 to 3. We know that 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 12 and this 3, 12 plus 3, it will become 15. So we will write 15 here. Now 4 is done. So we will cut the 4 so as there should not be any confusion. Next step is multiply the tens, add a 0. Now this step is very important. We have to write 0 in the beginning. We have added a 0. Now we will multiply the tens. It means 2 nines are. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. We will write 8 here and 1 on the top of the number. Again we will multiply 2 to 3. We know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 6 and this one we have cut 3, so there is no confusion, only 1 is remaining. So 6 plus 1, it will become 7. So we will write 7 here. The last step is add the two results. 156 is answer of 4 times 39 and 780 is the result of 20 times 39. Here are two results. We will add these two results. 6 0, it will become 6. 5 plus 8, it will become 13. We will write 3 here and 1 carry to next number. So 7 plus 1 plus 1, it will become 9. So this is our final answer of 39 times 24 is 936.